The newly designed Kirby Morgan modular communications are now available. The new communications assembly has several improvements, including a new modular body that is thicker and stronger, as well as featuring a removable strip assembly. This removable strip assembly allows all wire terminals to be inspected and serviced out and away from the inside of the communications module. One of the goals of the new communication module is to increase the durability of the module. The new design allows rewiring assemblies to be completed more efficiently while still incorporating design aspects of our previous parts. The updated communication parts are available for both male waterproof connectors and 2-wire post. Your existing male waterproof connector or 2-wire post will work with the newly designed components. Check our website to access our authorized Kirby Morgan dealer network and order your new communications assembly today.